Next, we have here example 2.4. So determine the allowable resisting moment of the beam of example 2.3 if the allowable stresses are Fc is equivalent to 9.31 megapascal and our Fs is equivalent to 137.9 megapascal. So for our solution here, yung gagamitin nating equation dito is yung equation ng ating bending stress sa compression ng ating concrete. And F sub C here is equivalent to M times YC all over our I. So, yung gagamitin natin dito, isa-substitute lang natin yung ating value no, na given, which is 9.31 for our F sub C. And for our Y sub C, that is equivalent to 168.5827 based doon sa previous na example natin. And so, as yung ating moment of inertia. So, from here, masasolve natin yung moment natin due to the allowable na stress natin na FC. So, your MC natin, or yung moment natin, is now equivalent to 8691.22 kilonewton meter. Next naman is yung gagamitin natin yung equation sa steel na stress, Fs all over N is equivalent to M times Yt all over our I. So by direct substituting yung mga given dito, yung F sub S natin na given is 137.9 megapascal divided by yung modular ratio na 9, yung Ms, ito yung unknown. And of course, yung Y sub T natin, di ba, that is equivalent to 425 minus X, di ba? So, 425 minus yung X natin na 168.5827 from our previous na problem, divided by yung moment of inertia about the neutral axis. So, from here, yung masasolve natin na moment is 93.933 kilonewton meter. So, whichever is the lesser value between the two, ito na ngayon yung ating magiging answer. Kasi, if we're going to substitute this value, itong 86.9122 kilonewton meter, dito sa ating equation, no? Yung makukuha natin ditong stress will be less than the allowable stress.